In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete search history on Google on Android phone. We will walk through the Google app so you can quickly clear recent searches. Remove specific items or set your history to clean itself up automatically. Start by opening the Google app on your Android phone. In the top right, tap your profile picture or initial. This takes you to your account menu. If you use more than one account on your device, take a moment to make sure you are in the account whose search history you actually want to manage. From this menu, choose Search History. This screen shows your recent searches and gives you full control over what stays and what goes. If you want to delete searches by date, look for the Delete option above your list of activity. Tap it, and you will see choices like Delete Today, Delete Custom Range, and Delete All Time. Delete Today clears only the activity recorded today, which is handy for a quick reset. Delete Custom Range lets you pick precise start and end dates, so you can target a specific period without touching everything else. Delete All Time wipes your entire search history for this account in the Google app. After you make your selection, follow the on-screen confirmation so you don't remove anything by accident. If you are unsure, scroll through your history first to preview what's included. If you only want to remove one or two items, you don't need a full sweep. Find the entry you want to get rid of and tap the X next to it. The item disappears right away. This is perfect for cleaning up a single search you don't want saved. Keep in mind that once you remove an item, it's no longer available to improve recommendations or autofill suggestions. For ongoing maintenance, set up Auto Delete. On the search history screen, select Auto Delete and choose how long you want to keep your activity. 3, 18, or 36 months. Anything older than the period you pick will be removed automatically, and going forward, Google will continue cleaning up older activity on a rolling basis. You can change this setting anytime if you want to keep more or less history. Just remember, less history can mean fewer personalized suggestions, while more history can make your results feel more tailored. That's it. Thanks for watching.